Economy Bookings Review. Is it worth it? So hello everyone, so in today's video, I'll be doing a review right here for economy bookings. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you get special discounts and special promos if you're gonna book right here in economy bookings. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the review. So according to Trustpilot over here, economy bookings has a 4.4 star rating out of 5 stars and has over 114,000 reviews. So here is the review summary. So reviewers overwhelmingly had a great experience with this company. Customers appreciate the reasonable prices, the easy-to-use website, and the professional service. The website provides almost all the information needed and the customer service representatives are helpful. Consumers also highlight the great selection of vehicles available, and the booking and payment processes are described as simple, flexible, and hassle-free. People have different opinions regarding the booking process with no clear consensus. Some consumers found the refund policy confusing and unclear. Others mentioned issues with pricing such as unexpected location charges or price differences between Australian and American customers. A few reviewers reported problems with cancellations, refunds, and misleading information about insurance coverage. So that's pretty much for the review. So here's the website over here. Again, if you want to get special links or special discounts, make sure to click on the link in the description below. So to use this, just simply put in the location right here in where you want to be picked up, and then the pickup date and the time you want to be picked up, and then the drop-off date and the time as well. And then at the bottom right here, you can also add promo codes. You can also set the same drop-off location, and you can choose the driver's age right here to be between 30 and 65. So after putting in those details over here, you can just do search and then you can book 4 rides from there. And then after that, that's pretty much it. So again, there will be a special link in the description below if you want to get special discounts, special promos, if you're going to use or book cars right here from economy bookings. So that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.